Bachon. How are you all? Okay, ma. Today we are going to continue the grammar portion. Last class we studied more three topics, right? Satnya, then Visheshan, then Sandhi. These three we learned on the last class. Today we are going to study the new one, समास. जब दो या दो से अधिक शब्दों से मिलकर जो नया और छोटा शब्द बनता है उस शब्द को हिंदी में समास कहते हैं. समास मीन्स व्हाट? जब दो या दो से अधिक शब्दों से मिलकर, इफ़ टू और मोर देन टू वर्ड्स इफ़ वी आर जॉइनिंग एंड जो नया और छोटा शब्द बनता है, इट विल गेट ए न्यू वर्ड एंड ऑल्सो स्मॉल वर्ड. उस शब्द को हिंदी में समास कहते हैं. दैट वर्ड बाई जॉइनिंग टू वर्ड्स और मोर देन टू वर्ड्स एंड गेटिंग ए न्यू वर्ड एंड ऑल्सो स्मॉल वर्ड, like one word is there na, that is only samas. Okay, you see from example you can find out rasoi ke liye ghar, for doing kitchen work, what that house, that home, we will tell rasoi ghar, kitchen, right? Raja ka putra, son of raja, Rajputra. For that we will use one small word, that is only samas. Okay, by joining for short form of one sentence, like rasoi ke liye ghar, rasoi ghar. This rasoi ghar is samas. Then Raja ka putra, Rajputra. Okay, like that we will say as a small word, that is only samas. Samas having six types. Okay, samas having six types, but we are not going to study the six types because only two types it is explaining in your textbook. So I am explaining only two types. Okay, because no time for us to learn everything, right? So samas ke bhed, only know the types of samas. Avyayabhava samas, talpurusha samas, karmadharaya samas, dvig samas, dvandu samas, bahuvrihi samas. Once again, avyayabhava samas, talpurusha samas, karmadharaya samas, dvigu samas, dvandu samas, bahuvrihi samas. Okay, we are going to study only the second one and the fifth one. Okay, talpurusha samas and dvandu samas. talpurusha samas, यह कारक से जुदा समास होता है. This was related with the कारक. कारक means the joining letters are cases and all there na, ka, ke, ki, ne, ko, se, me, par, that will come na. By joining that word which is samas is coming, that is only तलपुरुष समास. ओके, ये कारक से जुदा समास होता है. इसे बनाने में दो पदों के बीच कारक चिन्हों का लोप हो जाता है. इफ़ वी आर सी द sentence will be having that कारक चिन्ह, but we are changing that as one word, means that कारक sign symbol will not be there, that will disappear. That is only तलपुरुष समास. You can see from the example, you can understand. देश के लिए भक्ति, that के लिए is there ना, के लिए, that के लिए is a कारक. So when we are joining, you can see that के लिए is not there, right? देश भक्ति, देश के लिए भक्ति, देश भक्ति. This is only talpurusha samas. We can join. In the sentence it will be कारक, but when we are changing it is there, that कारक won't be there in that word. That is only talpurusha samas. The next word you see Raja ka putra. If we are changing it in one word, means Rajputra. That ka is not there, right? Then next second one, third one, Jenko Priya, Jenko Priya, Janapriya, Jenko Priya, Janapriya. Then next one, Vidya ke liye alay, Vidyalay, Vidya ke liye alay, Vidyalay, Vidya ke liye alay, Vidyalay. That ke liye is not there. Then Paab se mukta, Paaba mukta, right? Paab se mukta, Paaba mukta. This is the examples. Okay, then from here you can find understood that what is talpurusha samas. When the sentence will be having that karak chin, but when we are changing it in one word, that karak won't be there, that symbol won't be there. That is only talpurusha samas. Here murti ki puja, murti puja. One mein was, one was. Understood? that is only Talpurusha Samas. Then another one Dvandva Samas. This one we learned already. What is that? Dono pad pradhan hote hain. In this sentence, this words, two words will be important. Both side it will be important, like Jal Vayu, Jal or Vayu. Paba Punya, Pab or Punya. Radha Krishna, Radha or Krishna. Guna Dosh, Guna or Dosh. Ma Bap, Ma or Bap. Phala Bura, Phala ya Bura. Gai Bail, Gai or Bail. Both words will be important. That is only this Dvandva Samas. Understood? What is Samas? What is समास we learn? जब दो या दो से अधिक शब्दों से मिलकर जो नया और छोटा शब्द बनता है उस शब्द को समास कहते हैं. समास के दो टाइप्स ओनली वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी टुडे. तत्पुरुष समास. तत्पुरुष समास एक कारक से जुड़ा समास होता है. इसे बनाने में दो पदों के बीच कारक चिन्हों का लोप हो जाता है, उसे तत्पुरुष समास कहते हैं. द्वंद्व समास दोनों पद प्रधान होते हैं. बोथ वर्ड्स विल बी इम्पॉर्टेंट. दैट इज ओनली द्वंद्व समास. देन नेक्स्ट टॉपिक कारक. Because when samas before itself samas we have to learn karak. I forgot to add first that karak. Sorry. What is karak we will learn now. संज्ञा या सर्वनाम के जिस रूप से वाक्य के अन्य शब्दों के साथ उसका संबंध का बोध हो. See, while we are saying any sentence or something, we have to join that words with another word, right? If we are telling any noun or pronoun, we have some things to join it with another word, right? She is writing. She writing, is it enough? No, she is writing is enough. Needed it. That is needed. So like that, Hindi सीधा पढ़ता है. सीधा पुस्तक पढ़ता है. That also okay. Some words and all, not everywhere. Some place and all, we need that कारक चिन्ह. Like राम को स्कूल जाना है. राम स्कूल जाना है. वॉन्ट कम. राम को स्कूल जाना है. राम wants to go to school. So that wants to go to school is needed. Ko is needed there. So like that some words are there. That is only कारक. सो संज्ञा या सर्वनाम के जिस रूप से वाक्य के अन्य शब्दों के साथ उसका संबंध का बोध होता है उसे कारक कहते हैं. कारक 8 हिंदी में 8 कारक होते हैं. 8 टाइप्स ऑफ कारक इज देयर. कारक यू सी दैट फर्स्ट वन कर्ता कारक, कर्म कारक, करण कारक, संप्रदान कारक, आबादान कारक, संबंध कारक, अधिकरण कारक, संबोधन कारक. These are the karak here. What are the symbols it will come on each karak is here. For karta ne will come, karma ko will come, karan se और द्वारा, संप्रदान को और के लिए, आबादान से, संबंध का के की, अधिकरण में पर, संबोधन means hey, are, aji. We will express somewhere na, like to call somebody. That is only sambodhan karak. Only learn this karak is this one and the now symbols what and all will come. That is enough. Okay, understood? Then the next one upasarga. What is upasarga? Upasarga means ऐसे शब्दांश जो किसी शब्द के पूर्व जुड़कर उसके अर्थ में परिवर्तन कर देते हैं या उसके अर्थ में विशेषता ला देते हैं. मीन्स उपसर्ग ऐसे शब्द हैं, शब्दांश जो किसी शब्द के पूर्व वन पार्ट ऑफ ए वर्ड दैट वी विल जॉइन बिफोर वन वर्ड. सी एग्जाम्पल यू सी pra plus har. That har meaning parajay. Okay, har means fail. Okay, when we are adding that pra with that, it will come prahar. What is that means? Prahar means chot karna, to beat. To beat only prahar. So when we are separating that word, that har means parajay. So one part of a word which we are adding before one word, and when we are adding and joining it, it will change into a new word, new meaning word. That is only new meaningful word. Okay, somewhat we can't write. It should be a meaningful word. That is only upasarg. It will come before the word. Okay, शब्द के पूर्व जुड़ता है, इट विल बी कम बिफोर द वर्ड, और अर्थ का परिवर्तन कर देता है या उसके अर्थ में विशेषता लेते हैं. It will come as a meaningful word or change of meaning, and also maybe some speciality will be there. That is only this upasarg. It will come before the word. That is only you want to know. Okay. Then see pratyaya. प्रत्यय मीन्स प्रत्यय वे शब्द है जो दूसरे शब्दों के अंत में जुड़कर अपनी प्रकृति के अनुसार शब्द के अर्थ में परिवर्तन. It will come after the word, at the end of the word. Okay, upasarga will come from the beginning of the word. This pratyay will come at the end of the word. That is only difference. Okay, don't forget this one. Upasarga means it will come first beginning of the word. Pratyay means will come at the end of the word. You can see from the example, samaj plus ik, that ik is the pratyay. Okay, that ik is the pratyay, and answer is samajik. Sugandh plus it, sugandhid. Nadak plus car, nadakar. Understood? This word which will come at the end of the word, and if by joining it, it will become a new meaningful word. That is only pratyaya. Upasarga what? It will come on the beginning of the word and it will be changed it as a new meaningful word. That is only upasarga. Upasarga will come from at the beginning of the word. Pratyaya will come at the end of the word. Understood? Okay, this much only grammar I am going to teach this time. Okay ma, this last class grammar what I have taught in the class, that I didn't send notes because most of them are not watching the video, so I am not going to send that. You watch the video and copy that from the video itself. Okay, you are not small kids and all. Even small kids, they are watching the video and copying the notes. I am sending the notes, only you are copying the notes and sitting simply. You are not watching the videos and all. So I am not sending the video. Last class video what and all was grammar notes were there in that. That also you should copy, and continuously you have to copy this one also. From the samas till here you should copy. Okay, and learn for the exam. Then the letter writing you should learn. Okay, letter writing also last class, previous class I have taught the letter writing, that also you should learn. So whatever still here, this is the last class of our teaching. Okay, next one class I am going to say the question pattern or something, or what's remaining I will teach on the next class. So we are going to start our revision. Okay, so our exam is going to come. You got the timetable, I think. So learn well for the exam. Letter writing, grammar will come, objective type questions will come. Okay, everything one word only, so it will be easy for you. So please learn, my dear kids. Okay, last class notes and this class notes, you watch the video and complete the notes. Okay ma, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.